You eat a lot. You don't sleep. All you do is work. Sweat emoji. Laughing. I assume you are happy in your marriage.
Did you just cough? Just. I am about to be judged by all of you, and I'm not even ready. I'm literally not ready. So I asked on my Instagram at Priscilla Okwan, and I told you guys to, share your assumptions. And straight away, I just regretted doing that. But in this video, I'm going to be responding to some of your assumptions. I have recruited George. You can give a wave of hands. In the camera.
Hello.
So he has my phone. I actually haven't seen the assumptions because I wanted to give real reactions, facial expressions and everything. So if I'm a bit anxious and nervous, yes, that's because I'm actually nervous to hear the assumptions that you guys are going to share. So let's do this. Let's get into this, okay?
You are so rich and doing well in life. You literally have nothing else to worry about. With a heart and a smile.
Oh man. Okay, to be honest, I'm very blessed. Where I am right now, I'm actually very blessed. I'm very fortunate. So it is true to an extent. I have a loving family, caring husband, I have a career, passion, and all of that. But in terms of monetary wealth, I think I'm still getting there. I wouldn't consider myself rich. I would say I'm getting there. So yeah, that's that about that.
You are a very beautiful African woman with a very beautiful heart.
Thank you. I'll take that. Yes, true. Please, I'll claim it. Yes, yes, and yes. There's nothing like actually, loving yourself with all of your flaws and your quirks. So I try to feed and nurture my heart, my spirit, my soul, because I think that's what actually translates to physical beauty that people consider attractive.
You missed me and our fun times we had in London. Also, damn, that dress is gorgeous.
Ooh.
Ellie.
I think I know. Oh yeah. I miss my friends from uni because after I graduated from uni, I went straight into work. I didn't even have a year where I was traveling and discovering. No, it was my graduation and I started an internship. I focused on my channel, so I don't really have a lot of friends in the UK. I think my best friend is my husband, my sister in Nigeria, and then my old workmates from where I used to work in retail. So my circle of friends are very small, and yes, I do miss my friends from uni a lot.
That you're kind. You've got that aura about you.
You should put a glow. Am I kind, babe? You should be the one to answer this.
Yeah, you're definitely kind.
Oh, okay. George says I'm kind.
I've told you that so many times already.
I think I would like to say I'm more empathic rather than kind. I feel people's pain very easily. So I would actually cry watching a movie. I would cry if I hear someone's sad story. I would cry if I see someone that I can just feel their pain. So I feel pain. I feel people's pain really easily, and I think that's what sort of helps me to render whatever kind of help I can, and some people consider that kindness. So
I assume you are happy in your marriage with a little flower.
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm actually very happy. I'm very grateful. It was a relationship that I started thinking,
let's just see where it goes.
But I'm actually very happy, and I look forward to spending lots of years with George, making plenty babies, not plenty, just 2. Building a home together, making good memories, because life is too short to just live it otherwise, honestly.
You are so genuine and really inspiring. I stalk your page on a regular basis, by the way. Sorry, not sorry.
Genuine. I don't know how to be fake. That's the thing. it would just show if I don't like someone, if I don't like a situation, like you can easily read my emotions from my body language and from my face. So I find it difficult to be ingenuine. So I think that's why a lot of things I do, a lot of relationships I have are just a product of that. So if I'm really into something, if I'm really into someone, I just pour my whole heart into it. So yeah, that is very correct.
You want to succeed and you are determined. Nothing will stop you.
Yeah, so please, see, you have to understand that I literally quit. No, I studied microbiology. I then told my parents I was going to quit. Do you know the kind of courage you have to muster up to tell African parents that, mommy, daddy, oh, I'm going to do fashion? They'll just be like,
You want to become a tailor? You want to sew by the roadside?
in fact, till today, I can still remember those very words from my parents. So it took me a lot of courage to actually make the switch from microbiology to fashion. I think that's what really fuels my passion. There is that like clear vision ahead of me. So I know exactly what I want. I just need sort of like a support system, like family, friends, subscribers, followers. I just need people to keep motivating me. But yeah, in terms of like clarity of vision, or more, it's 2020, 22, not even 2020 at this point.
You eat a lot.
This person knows me personally. This person knows me. No, yeah, this person knows me. But this has to be someone that knows me personally or watches my stories or watches my videos very often because, yes, I am a foodie at heart. And that is going to be the demise of my body and my weight because I actually really like food. I like chicken, meat, rice. I like all kinds of yummy food. But at the same time, I don't have a lot of stamina to do exercise, so I struggle to balance how much I eat and how physically active I am. But yes, I love food.
You're a workaholic and have a little fun for stuff, like me though.
Yes. I know. My name is Priscilla Okban and I'm a workaholic. Oh, where do we even start with this one? It's not because I'm trying to impress anybody else. Let me start from there. I honestly enjoy doing the work that I do, and I give myself such strong deadlines that I'm able to manage my workflow without anyone telling me, oh, you have to put up a video this week, or you have to finish that client's comment, or you have to film this, or you have to film that. I am able to really discipline myself in terms of work. In other areas of my life, like money and food and exercise, I do struggle. But when it comes to work, yeah, I am like, I won't call myself a tough boss because I don't have any staff yet, but I am really. Hey, did you just cough? Just.
You are a loyal friend, ready to always help and have love for good food.
Loyal friend. I'm that type of friend that I'm not really good at keeping in touch with my friends, and all of my friends can attest to this. I don't know how to like call people every other week or every other day or text all the time. But what I do know is I do pray for my friends and my family because I want them to do well. I want them to stay healthy. But when I do care about someone, even if I don't call them all the time or text them all the time, I actually think about them a lot. It's strange because they would not know I'm thinking about them, but I do think about the people I care about and pray about them. So I am loyal in spirit, in prayer and in heart, but I really suck at like calling and texting my friends. So sorry to all of my friends that have stuck with me through the years.
You love traveling, but quarantine put a halt to that.
Yep, true. I had such grand plans for 2020. Like, I was thinking by now I would actually have gone to, I don't know, Portugal again or somewhere with beach and food and nice weather, but no, I can't travel again this year until like this whole pandemic resolves itself. But yeah, I'd love to travel. I love to try out new food. I love to go to new places, experience new cultures. I actually really want to go to Japan, to South Korea, Thailand, South Africa, Sao Tome. The list is so long, but let's see how next year goes. Maybe for my honeymoon.
You don't like official wear, laughing out loud emoji, especially bespoke suits.
True. It's not like I don't like it. I don't have anywhere to wear it to, so it doesn't just make sense to make smart, like, structured pieces where I have nowhere to wear it to. I've never really had that, typical 9 to 5 job. I only had something similar when I was doing like an internship back in Nigeria for like 6 months. And every other job I've had since then did not require me to like, dress up smart. So I would only make something that I know I would actually wear or people really want to see a tutorial for. But yeah, like bespoke tailoring is not my strongest point and it's not something that I would make very often. So that is true. Very true.
Go for what you want, like being self-assured.
Oh, okay. True to an extent. I would often do something where I would just jump into like a decision without even thinking too much, because if I think about it, I would talk myself out of it. So a lot of projects I've done, a lot of collections, a lot of videos, I actually would just think about it for like 2 milliseconds and just go ahead and do it, which would be good in the terms of, I try out new techniques, new garments, new projects, but bad in the sense that I make a lot of mistakes that you guys actually don't see. I waste a lot of money, I waste a lot of fabrics, but I'm able to learn from all of that. So I don't overthink projects a lot. I just think about it from a financial perspective, creative perspective, and if it's looking good, I just go for it.
You don't sleep. All you do is work. Sweat emoji. Laughing.
Honestly, for the last 2 to 3 days, I've not been sleeping well, and this is not because I've been staying up working. It's because I've not just been able to sleep. Something just keeps me up at night. Like an hour, I'll just be rolling, tossing, turning in bed, and I wake up feeling very tired and just cranky. But aside like the last few days, I try to sleep as much as I can. George is always trying to get me off the computer and into the bedroom like, woman, can you please go and rest? Like, I'm always editing something or sewing something or drawing something, but yeah, I can't be a workaholic when it comes to actually getting proper sleep. So that is true to a reasonable extent.
You are an overachiever. Big heart emoji.
Ooh. Ooh. What does overachiever even mean? Wait, before I...
It means that you're an overachiever.
Okay, if I understand what overachiever means, it's someone who goes above and beyond and
Yeah.
even does things that are not necessary, right? I hope that definition is correct.
That is-
I would say yes, but not like 100% yes. Let me explain why. So I like to put my mind into like projects that I'm working on or anything that I'm doing because I want it to come out really good, because I know my husband would not spare me like, oh, mate, you could do this better, or you guys would never spare me if I don't get the seams right and all those like little mistakes that I can avoid. So I like to actually put my mind when I'm doing something, I put my mind into it so that way it comes out looking really good. But in terms of like doing extra just for the sake of doing extra, no. The thing is, I want to be able to build a stable career from my YouTube, from my online store, from everything I'm doing, to the point that I can actually like, pay myself a good salary at the end of the month, employ a team behind me, and actually build like a brand that is well known, well established, and has all like these morals and values, proper finishing and story and everything behind it. So I had that really clear like path in my head. So there are things that I would do that I would not just settle for less. Things I would do that I would do extra things, extra videos, extra pictures, just to make it seem very professional. That might seem overachieving to some people, but I don't know, I just like going the extra mile sometimes if I want a project to turn out right.
Go-getter. Reserved.
Ooh, go-getter, yes. Yes, 100%. Reserved, If I'm just meeting someone for the first time, depending on like the environment or the situation, I actually would be quiet, which is really strange. Some people would consider me to be shy. If I'm just like meeting someone for the first time, or if I'm like in a large group of people where I don't know anyone, I would actually be quiet and just like observe and scope and see like the type of energy that is in the room. If I know anyone, who do I want to talk to, and sometimes approach people, but most times I'll actually just sit in the corner sipping my tea and take pictures or chat on Instagram or something. So I can't be reserved if I'm meeting someone for the first time or if I'm like in a large group. So if you see me outside, honestly, talk to me. I will talk back to you. I'm just very shy to like, make the first move. Okay? But talk to me if you see me outside. And we can take pictures together too.
You seem like are really a nice person and so genuine. On top of that, you're very hardworking.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I try to be nice. I can't be selfish sometimes for personal reasons or for reasons that the other person I'm being selfish for might not really see straight away. But yeah, I try to be nice. I try to be kind. I just think life is too short and too little to live otherwise. In terms of being hardworking, yes, I got that from my mom. My mom is so hardworking. That woman is still working till today. She's retired though, but she is still working. So I think I got that work ethic from her. And I think places I've worked in the past, brands I've interned for, past like jobs I've had also sort of taught me that like hard working spirit. But I think working smart is more important than working hard. Let's just all take that. If there's nothing you learn from this video, let's just take that home today.
Don't forget to pamper your husband.
Who sends that message? Who sends that message? 2-3 years ago, my mom sent me this video. If I find the video, I'll actually put a clip somewhere.
As a woman, pamper your husband.
Somebody sent it.
Nobody sent it. Did you send it?
No.
Oh, this video that assumption has to be from somebody I know, because my mom sent me this video when I just got together with my husband. I think it was after he proposed, and it was of this Nigerian female pastor who was preaching about the importance of taking care of your husband. And there was a line in the video where she went, "Pamper your husband."
Pamper your husband.
Like with so much passion. So it just stuck in my head. And if I'm not maybe like giving George affection, or if I've not cooked for him, he will not come and be like, "Pamper your husband," like, guy. What is this? Oh god. Oh wow. That it just brought back so many memories. Today actually saw the video. Oh, okay. This was fun to film. I'm trying to catch my breath because I laughed way too much in this video. This was so much fun to film. If you have any more assumptions, share in the comment section down below. And thanks to everyone who sent their own assumptions through on Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I have 3 Instagram accounts. I have at Priscilla Okban, which is my personal Instagram, and at Kim Dave Designs, which is linked to this channel, and then at Kim Dave Ready to Wear. That is Kim Dave RTW, which is more for like my ready to wear pieces that I designed and I have for sale. So make sure to check me out on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you actually enjoyed this video and you have not subscribed, but I'm not judging you. I'm honestly not judging you, but make sure to subscribe before you leave today. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.